kiss for you.
Ribosomes. Now, please, if you keep watching my video, no, please बीच में मत जाना. आप लोग जितना देखेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हम वीडियो बनाएंगे. And no, if you will watch it, then only I can make, that will give me self-confidence to make more videos. So देखते रहिए. And what's very interesting? How can anybody miss it? So please keep watching. Don't leave. Now, we have ribosomes and we have endoplasmic reticulum. Now ribosomes are granular structure, यानी कि दाना जैसा. All of you are most probably knowing what is a dana. So we call such structures as granulated structures. As I told you that these ribosomes are granulated structures. So structure is granulated. Now the location of ribosome, it is either attached to the endoplasmic reticulum or scattered in the cytoplasm. And function is just similar to the nucleolus, helps in formation of proteins or synthesis of proteins. Simply you can write that. Okay, you don't write ribosomal RNA and ribosomal protein. That is the basic function, but you need to simply write it as protein synthesis. That is most important. Endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulums are tubular structures. Keep this thing in mind, tubular structures. Now location. When you can see alongside there is an animal cell, and there you can see what is an endoplasmic reticulum. I just show you on this as well. You can see this is a nucleus of the animal cell. There is the endoplasmic reticulum is present between the membrane of the nucleus and the cell membrane or plasma membrane. So location of endoplasmic reticulum, it is between the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane. Keep that in mind. Then we move on to the types of endoplasmic reticulum. Now see, endoplasmic reticulum based on the presence of ribosomes. I hope so you remember what is ribosome, just I taught you. Okay, so ribosomes, it is classified as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That means if the endoplasmic reticulum has do not have ribosome, then smooth. Then if it has ribosomes, then it is known as rough. So structure is clear, tubular structure. For location is clear between the nuclear membrane and the plasma membrane. And function. Now see, function is providing a skeletal framework to the cell, or basic you can say framework, provides a framework to the cell. One more thing you can write, helps in transportation of proteins and fats. That can also be considered as a function of endoplasmic reticulum. So you can see ribosomes present over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 ribosomes. So ribosomes and nucleolus are similar in function. If you don't know what is nucleolus, please refer to my old video. There you will have that nucleolus part. Okay, so this is what ribosomes are and endoplasmic reticulum. Welcome back to my give reason part. So that is the most interesting part in time of the class. Give reasons, most interesting. Exam में हमेशा पूछता है, ध्यान से सुनो. We studied about ribosomes are protein factories of the cell. So why they are known as protein factories? Because they helps in protein synthesis. Then we studied about endoplasmic. There you don't have much reasonings. So for the reasoning part, that's all for today. I think today the classes were very easy and understanding. So now if you have not understood anything, please go back and understand, build your concept. And if you have not watched my earlier videos of cell, please, you have the links in the description part and on the I button. Please look on them and understand. I think you are able to understand what I have taught you today. So if I was able to build your concept and we were here to learn something new, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Study with ADITYA.